Get a feel for the 2013 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, locking limited slip differential, rear-wheel drive, stability control, split bench seat, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.